In this video, we will show you some features and process and how to use Goccopro Qs2536 with Mr. Satoru Comata for the demonstration. Press power button to start. Stretch Goccopro thermal screen to the aluminum frame. Adjust to tighten and cut each side of the screen to separate. Insert screen into Goccopro Qs2536 for screen making. You can insert frames up to 25 by 36 inches size. Prepare or load your design from RISO software. And click Print. The machine will then receive the data. Push Start button to begin the process. A2 size screen making will finish within 200 seconds. Easy and fast. After screen making, we are now ready for screen printing. With Goccopro Qs2536, you will get precise registration, and great image quality. Goccopro 2536, the next generation digital screen maker. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, call us or visit our website at www.texcraft.com.